What is style? This question got stuck in my mind as I was going through some of my recent paintings, looking for the answer as it could be the solution to finding my own. Now, I realized that I can't pick a style like vegetables at a supermarket, if you like vegetables, that is. Otherwise you'd probably pick, I don't know, burgers? Your style is already within you. The real question is, how can I make it emerge to the surface? And these are the things I'm going to do. Follow along. So, what is style? Style is selecting your subject, that image, landscape, person, scene that tells you something. You look at it and it just clicks. Not any other subjects just because they are trendy or well received. Style is a path, and every path has a starting point. How you decide to approach the beginning of your painting will also define how you continue it. Don't let anyone tell you that you're doing wrong. If you don't make a drawing before starting, or if you don't stay in your canvas. If you want to paint on white, please feel free to do so. Style is understanding the difference between painting the subject and painting the shapes on the subject. The second is harder, but it also allows you to paint everything. Literally anything you want. But also, style is paying attention to the light hitting those shapes, forming values. Values have a structure, but no one is here judging you if you decide to alter that structure. Because style is expression. Rules in art are there to guide you, and they teach you that shapes and lines have meaning. Colors have emotion. A single dot can represent a universe. But if you keep following the same rules to the letter, you'll keep doing what other artists are doing or have done, and then just become a mirror of someone else's expression. Okay, at this point I think I need a break. I'm not quite happy with how everything's coming out. I found that sometimes when I'm not happy or lose motivation, looking at paintings of other artists I admire gives me a nice boost, and gives me perspective on my goals, where I'm on my journey, and the steps I need to follow. Okay, let's try to go back to my painting and see if we can bring it to the finish line. Where was I? Ah yes, style. Style is choosing your favorite brush, the one you are most comfortable with. Evolving your style is picking up the one next to it for once. Style is to stop caring about color theory. Primaries, secondaries, tertiaries. You need to know the theory, it is very useful. But then pick the ones that make you smile when looking at them. Style is remembering to have fun. If you are not having fun when painting, you won't paint enough to make your style emerge. And also, I think style is not caring. Not caring about what other people think of your creation. Don't forget, feedback is and needs to be always welcome. It is essential to improvement. But ultimately, you need to be happy with your own creation. Happy painting! Bye.